Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cece and I'm back with another video. I'm basically bored in the house and I have nothing better to do but do my makeup, so that's what I'll be doing in this video. So if you want to see how I did this somewhat of a bold look, just keep on watching. Two grown folks. So I cannot do my makeup without no music, and copyright be busting my ass. So I'm gonna put my AirPods in. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm mad bored, and if quarantine haven't made you feel like drinking or turning to drugs, I don't know. I guess y'all not that bored, cause listen, this shit right here been calling my name all week. This and this. I got this bottle for Christmas and I never touched it. I can't be drinking like this because I get drunk really fast. This is not back in the day when I could have drank whatever and not be drunk. Now I get drunk super fast. So we're not going to touch that because I have work. I got to wake up like 9 o'clock for work. So I'm not going to be talking about nothing really in this video. I'm just bored and I feel like doing my makeup because I had nothing better to do. So I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my face with Pond's lotion like usual. So everything is behind me like always. I like doing videos in my room because the lighting is kind of better to me. If I go in the living room, then yeah, that's too much work. So we're gonna do it right here. So I'm gonna go ahead with my Anastasia DIPBROW pomade, however you say it, in ebony. I realized my camera be getting out of focus when I move, and I hate that. I realized that in my last video, so we're gonna have to try to do better. So I'm going to be taking my Morphe brushes, whatever this is, Morphe brushes and 158 brush, and I'm going to start doing my eyebrows. I never do my eyebrows on camera because it takes me forever, and especially the fact that my eyebrows is not even done. Yeah. I ordered a wax kit from Amazon. Of course it's going to take forever because it's not essential. So I should have been thought about this because my eyebrows look crazy. Although I can't pluck it, but I don't feel like it. I don't feel like going through that pain right now. So yeah. I hope I'm not out of focus. I need to hurry up and get some contacts or something because this is ridiculous. Let's clean that up. I'm going to be using my NARS. I don't even know why I'm wasting makeup. But I'm going to use NARS Radiant Concealer in the color Praline. So I'll be using the P. Louise base for my eyeshadow primer, and this is in the color Rumor 04. So I'm going to be using Proud. This one. This is from the Morphe palette. This is bad old. I think I got this for my 25th birthday. So I'm going to be using Proud, and then I'm going to use Agent to transition. And I'm going to be using the gold on my crease. I like to use the dark colors first, so I know how to work with it. So I'm going to go in with my Cover FX foundation. I'm using All Good Makeup today. I don't know why. I haven't used this foundation in forever though. I'm going to go back into my NARS foundation. And I almost fell out my hand. And just apply that under my eyes. I feel like this bottle of concealer finishes so fast. That's why I don't buy it often. I usually get Tarte Shape Tape. But I believe they were out that day when I went to go get concealer for myself. Now, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Born This Way. This is in the color Chestnut. All to wipe it all off. Y'all can see I have nothing better to do at all. Just chat and the ways good makeup. So I'm going to go in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. This is my favorite setting powder. Apart from, what you call it, Pretty Vulgar. This is a matte setting powder. So yeah, I'm going to use that to say. I'm just going to spray my face a little because I'm looking a little ashy. This is the Morphe set. Oh, whoo, whoo, whoo. This is the Morphe setting spray, by the way. Oh, I love this. It smells so good. Apart from the Urban Decay, I use the Morphe. Just thought I'd let you guys know that. And now I'm just going to powder contour my face. I don't even know where that palette is at. I usually use the Morphe 8H palette. But where is it? And it's all broken up, so I can't even show y'all because I don't want nothing falling on me or on my bed. So I'll be right back. So I'm using my Milani highlight in Golden Quartz. Yeah, Golden Quartz. So yeah, I love this eyeliner so much. This is a Sephora black eyeliner. It just says #1 on it. Yeah, but it's waterproof and it's my favorite. It's like $14, which is not bad. For those who don't know, I really do have a beauty spot right there, but when I put makeup, it's gone, so I put it right back. Feel me? And then this one is just made up, but I feel like it's just so cute right there, so yeah. I remember telling y'all I'm testing out lashes for my brand, so this is one of them. It's a 25 mm. Really, really cute. It might look mad dramatic. It is mad dramatic, but I love everything dramatic, so yeah. I'm actually going to apply these off camera because I know I'm about to have a problem with my nails and everything, so yeah. I'm going to come right back. I'm going to use a NYX lip pencil. This is in the color Auburn. Now I'm going on with MAC's Ruby Woo. All of these words are tongue twisters to me. I don't even know what's going on.